Hi everyone, this is how to use Equalizer on your Sony WH-CH520 headphones. So first go to Sony Sound Connection application and tap this Equalizer button. This is the easiest way to use the Equalizer. You can just choose suitable preset and press done. For more advanced settings, you can tap this arrow next to the Equalizer word, and here you can swipe your presets, or tap this gear icon and manually tweak the Equalizer bands like this. You have one more option here. You can tweak Equalizer automatically, tailor it to your hearing. Just press this start button, and then you need to play any music. Tap next and just choose the sound you like, for example any, and do it one more time and press next. Okay, you are all set. Tap finish, save the preset. It's saved to custom 2 preset, and you're all set now. You know everything about this Equalizer, and I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.